fragile, plays a descending melody in A minor. Faint wind pulses in stereo. Distant chimes respond. Soft breath of choir pad in background. No words, only aura. With sparse legato phrases, each line echoes the music box, where its own string ensemble paints low bass notes like footsteps on stone. Melody cycles in 7/4, slightly off kilter, ancient. Wind pulses grow stronger, shifting stereo field. With stepwise motion, building tension. Music box speed slightly, melody fragments into details. Choir pad swells with reverb, heavy crescendo. A single gong stroke fades into silence. Strings enter unhurried, majestic in counterpoint. Music box soars above with original theme, now doubled in octaves. Low brass subtly enters beneath, not melodic, only texture. High wind synth mimics distant bird cries, magical in tone. Voice like hums echo the chorus pattern in canon. Strings receive music, box returns with variation. Melody inverted, solo vine answers each phrase with irresistible grace. Woodwind like synth mimics recorder in tremolo, and sounds return with increased volume, gusts in rhythm. Strings return full with deeper emotional weight. Cello plays descending counter melody. Music box now syncopated, echoing from multiple palm position. Choir swells again, now with faint Latin syllables. Eternal looks. Music box stops, silence for 2 beats. Solo putum plays tremolo, building unease. Slowly a reversed filing loop emerges, ghostly upward gliding. A single rune-etched bell chimes once. Tension builds with rising string cluster, unresolved. Sudden cutoff. Only wind remains. Music box restarts, now in ephemeral. Strings return quietly, more fragmented, a distant quiet chants, a brief Latin phrase in can. Violins play harmonics like falling stars. Piano joins with single high notes, space like clockwork. Full ensemble returns, larger, more resonant. Music box now lay with delay and reverb. Sound ancient, choir sings full phrase, looks in tenebris, lucid. Cymbals swell and gong release as climax. Music box slows, melody breaking into fragments. Strings fade to solo viola. Wind dies to whisper. Music box flickers. Strings enter one by one. Final chord held, dissonant but resolving to peace. Music box winds down with mechanical ticks. Last note fades, wind carries final leave across courtyard. Silence return, lux perpetua lucetes. Echoes dissolve into emptiness.